Hey, how much are these? Those are $340. Cool, I'll take them. All right, so $340 plus shipping. Total's gonna be $350.13. Yeah, man, my kid accidentally ordered it. Huh? Yeah, sorry about that, LOL. But you're alone. There's no kid with you. There's nobody here with you. Yeah, LMFAO. I mean, my kid accidentally ordered it. What? This makes no sense. There's nobody with you. How can your kid accidentally buy it when there's no one here with you? Cool, sorry about that, man. I'm gonna go buy some Ed Hardy t-shirts. What? Hey. Yeah. SMH, am I right, dudes and dudettes? SMH to the max. That's what kids say, right? I don't even know anymore. Hi, everybody. Hope your week has been the exact opposite of the pits. I see you, pals. Thanks for hanging 10 and surfing the ol' SB Mitch wave. You can follow me on Twitter or Instagram here, as well as visit my online marketplace, ransomnotesneakers.com. Updates every Friday. Updates in a couple hours, as a matter of fact. So go check that out. Maybe there will be some stuff from this box at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Box, you say? What? That's what we're working with today. It's a box. This box. It's a beater box. Comes to us from Supremacy, which is a shop on the West Coast that has a members-only beater box program. You should follow them on Twitter and turn on post notifications. But they price these under market, so when we buy them, there's a really, really good opportunity to make some moolah or money. This box in particular cost $925 plus $40 to ship it to beautiful Philadelphia, Pennsylvania for a grand total of $965. Be sure to stick around until the end where I will show you the market value of all the shoes in this. Okay, so the power went out for like about 4 hours, so that's a thing. But as I was saying, this box is still not open. I didn't go ahead because I'm not a weirdo. Stick around till the end because I will break it down to show you how much it's worth versus how much I paid. But to get to that point, we have to open it first. So how about we do that? Before I get started, I want to let you guys know I am actually going to be doing a YouTube live event. I'm going to be opening a 575 beater box coming up pretty soon. I don't have a date or time yet, and there will be a giveaway at the end, so if not for the box, watch it for that. All right, I don't open these things ahead of time, and I didn't when the power went out either, so we have one good thing going on here. No loose shoes, so all these shoes have boxes. So counter, you can follow along. I'm gonna get this Asics box out of the way first because I am not very educated on Asics. This is a size 10. Gel Light 3. No, it's not. It's a replacement box. Some size 10.5. Jordan 2s. These are used. Very little though. I want to say this is the 25th anniversary 2s. I could be very wrong because I am not a huge fan of 2s. Yeah, these are okay. Pretty good first pair. If you're interested in any of these shoes, some of them might be on my website, which I'll get to at the end, or you can contact me down below in the contact information, which is in the video description. But let's keep opening shoes. Not opening shoes, we're opening boxes. Don't listen to me. Next up, we got a Jordan box. This is a size 9 Air Jordan 2 Retro. What's the 2s? These are worn. I don't know what these are called. Material on that right there is kind of weird. I don't know. If I were a betting man, I'd guess this would be like a playoffs or like red colorway. I don't really know. Size 9, Jordan 2. 2's out of the way. I just saw a money shoe and I'm really excited about it. Woo! Get this dumb ADIDAS box out of the way. This is a size 10.5 NMD R2 Prime Knit. I want to say these are called bread. these just come out? Oh no, it's the R1s that just came out. These are lightly worn. You can see a little bit of wear on the bottom. Yeah, but these are in solid shape. They don't smell. Still got the inserts in there too. That's pretty good. 10.5. Burrito. Not a burrito, it's a shoe. R2s are kind of weird. A lot of people like R1s, but NMDs in general, I guess, aren't very comfortable. What's this here? This is a size 12 Air Jordan 4 Retro OG. Box is in phenomenal shape. Makes me think that the shoe's gonna be dead stock, which probably isn't the case. White cement 4s. They're a little bit used. Very little though. Classic colorway. No cracking and no cracking. Nice. A little bit of yellowing on the cage here. It's all right though. Really good size, really nice shoe. These will clean up really nice. These will probably end up on the website. Size 12, white cement 4s. This is an awesome colorway. This is probably a 3. Yeah, it's a size 8 Air Jordan 3 Retro OG. Nice. Probably one of the best Jordans ever to release, in my opinion. This is a recent release of the black cement 3s in size 8. These will clean up really nicely. Inserts are here. It smells like they were owned by a smoker, but I have ways of cleaning that stuff up and making them not smell. A little bit of wear, toe box creasing, but yeah, a little bit of wear on the bottom too. Really awesome pair. Kind of a goofy size, might be a bit tough to sell, but yeah, good condition all around. So size 8, black cement 3s. Big fan of this box, mainly because I mostly know what's going on with it. Let's see, this is a 5 or a 6. This is a Jordan 6 size 12. This is a dead stock pair of, I think, sport blue. I mean, you can see how icy the bottoms are. Still factory laced, never been worn. Has the lace locks. Cool. I don't know why, but it seems like blue shoes don't really move as fast. I don't know if people just have a hard time matching with blue. Dead stock shoes will sell. That's a good pair to get. I'm alright with it. Box is a little flappy. Got 2 more in here. This is a size 12. Yep, these are Space Jam 9s. These are very, very lightly worn. Big size. This is one of the better colorways of the 9, if you ask me. Even for just a black and white colorway, it's actually interesting to look at, so. Size 12, very lightly worn. I mean, you can see there's hardly any toe box creasing there. Dig that. It's got the inserts too. Nice. And this last one, I got geeked because I saw what was on the top of the box. If this is the gray pair, I might just stop doing what I'm doing because that would be a major come up, but in a $9.25 box, I highly doubt it, but still. If this is the original box too, if this is a replacement box, I'm just gonna lose my stuff. It is not. This is a good pair to get. This is a worn pair of the black KAWS. This released last year. Yeah, they're probably solid 8 out of 10 condition, but still a really sought after shoe. I'm glad whoever had these wore these. See the bottoms there. These will clean up really nice. But this is a solid 8 out of 10 condition. A little bit of creasing on the toe box there. But yeah, this is a pretty good money shoe. The dust bag's still in here too. KAWS 4s, the black one. I'm gonna make a dumb nail now. Dumb nail taken. All right, sweet, that's the box. This box was $9.25 again. Pretty stoked on this box, not gonna lie. But still have to give it a grade, even though I'm not qualified to. In the SB Mitch card of reportedness. Alright, with every box I get, I give it a grade, and I get that grade through 3 categories, and they are as follows. Category 1, condition of its contents. Category 2, the sizes of said contents. Category 3, the hype/value of box contents. Because no hype means no value, doy. Let's do condition first. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shoes. 1 is dead stock, but most of them are in really, really good shape. So for condition, we're gonna give this box a B+. Let's do sizes. So we have 12, 10.5, 12 again, 12 for a 3rd time, 10.5, 9, 8, and 10.5 again. Would have liked to see more 8 to 9.5. Sizes on this box, we're gonna give it a solid A-. Hype/value. There's some classic Jordans in here. Those white cement 4s and the black cement 3s will move. Those KAWS are the money shoe, and boy oh boy is it a money shoe. Hype/value, definite A. So with the grade of B+ for condition, the grade of A- for sizes, and the grade of A for hype/value, we're gonna go ahead and give this $925 Sole Supremacy beater box a grade of A- in the SB Mitch report card. So we got a really good grade, A- on this box, but is it gonna make us any money? Let's break it down! So that's just pure value of the box versus how much I paid. I think it's a pretty good box, but I'm also very biased. So let me know down below in the comments what you think of the box, what you think of anything. Go ahead and check out the website, ransomnosneakers.com. I guarantee you some of these pairs will end up on there, as well as the many other things that will be up there. So that'll be pretty cool. Remember to keep your eyes peeled for the live beater box unboxing I'm going to be doing, because there's going to be a giveaway at the end of it. So that's all I got for you for the rest of the week. I'll be back with haul series number 40-something. So until then, take care of each other, and remember, they're just shoes. If you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that, because it's the easiest way to be happy. That's a really good way to live. Bye.